Here's a video teacher demonstration, and in this example, I'm using a student's project. They have a bank background, so I typed up bank outside. I went to images, and I found a simple photograph of a bank. Then I go control-click, save image as. I'm going to save it in my external drive in a new folder that I made called Bank. Bank photo. And then I save the image. Okay, next, I'm going to go into Photoshop. I'm waiting for it to launch. All right, in Photoshop, I'm going to create a new file. I am using film and video settings because that's our animation settings. I'm going to select the 720 pixels, so it's 1280 by 720. I'm going to call it Bank World. Then I'm going to pick my orientation and create. These lines are just guidelines. You can get rid of by going onto View, Show, Guides, and they go away. Okay, next I'm going to go into my Finder window. I'm going to find, oh, it got unplugged. Got to plug this back in. All right, so it looks like my external drive got unplugged. There it is. So I go into the bank folder, and now I just drag the photo inside. And I'm waiting. Doesn't quite fit, so I'm going to scale it from the corners. I probably want, yeah, I'm okay with it kind of being off to the side. Okay, then I hit enter. Now I'm going to turn the opacity down on that bank. I make a new layer. And then I just start drawing with the brush tool. I start drawing my background. All right, make sure you use different size brushes. And that's it. That's how you get started.